Welcome to Aria the Rescue Dog. Our dogs need regular mental and physical stimulation to stay in good health. Today, Aria and I are going to share our top fun activities and tips to keep your dog entertained and active, even when it's raining outside. First up, we have a simple but effective treat puzzle using an egg carton. Aria hasn't tried this trick before, so I'm going to drop a few treats inside and let her get used to the egg carton. Well, that went pretty well. This time I'm going to drop a few treats inside and then close the lid. I'm not going to close it all the way, otherwise I think it'll be too difficult for her to open. So now she'll need to figure out how to get at the treats. It's a great way to engage their problem-solving skills and keep them busy. Well, she made quick work of that, didn't she? Well done, Aria. For this next activity, I'm going to hide some treats in a toilet paper roll. Just pop the treats inside and fold over the edges of the toilet paper roll. Let's see how Aria gets on with this one. Aria loves to destroy toilet paper rolls, so I thought this would be a fun activity for her. If your dog's not into ripping up the paper, what you can do is you can put some little holes in, just big enough for the treats to fall out, and then they'll realise that when they roll, the treats will fall out and they can get them that way. Either way, this is a good game for mental stimulation, and they're also using their nose too. Well, I'm sure I don't have to explain this one to you. I'm going to hide in the house and call the dogs. When they find you, reward them with praise or a treat. This is lots of fun for the whole family, and it also adds some physical activity to your dog's day. We'd really appreciate it if you could like the video if you're enjoying it so far, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This enables our videos to be shown to more people and helps grow our channel. Thanks for that. We really appreciate it. You can also use rainy days as an opportunity to teach your dog a new trick. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video. We enjoyed making it for you, and you've got some more activities now to try on a rainy day. Let us know in the comments section below if you've tried any of these activities, or if you have some other activities you'd like us to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon with a new video. Bye!